In this video, we're gonna learn how you can set up and use the Mihon app. I have the Mihon app installed right now here. Let's launch it. Now this is the welcome screen. You're gonna choose the theme. I'm gonna choose a simple theme here and just tap on next. Now this is the folder selection screen. Tap on select a folder. And it says here can't use this folder. So we're gonna go inside the downloads folder, download and create new folder. Call it Mihon. And just tap on done. Use this folder, allow. Now it's done. Tap on next. Now on the next screen, you're gonna grant some permissions like install apps, allow the notifications, etc. Tap on grant here, allow from the source, go back. Also tap on grant for notification, allow. Tap on next. Once it's done, we're gonna tap on get started. Now this is the main screen here. We're gonna firstly go to more, scroll down, go to settings, browse. This is where you can add the extension repos. Tap on extension is source and you can just tap on add and you can input the repo URL. So we're gonna find the extension repos. Just for test and demonstration, I'll be copying the repo URL from GitHub. Go back to home screen, launch any browser and you're just gonna do a Google search for Mihon extensions GitHub and you can just simply tap on this first one, KUC extension repository for Mihon and variants. Scroll down, come to usage here and you're gonna find this one here. Copy and paste the following URL. Copy this URL, long tap and just copy link address. Once it's done, go back to Mihon and you're just gonna paste the URL and tap on add. And just like that, KUC extension repo has been added. If you want to add more extension repos, you're going to find the repo URL from GitHub or any other sources. Go back. Now you can go to browse tab on the main screen and come to extensions. You're going to just refresh the page here once. Once the page has been refreshed, scroll down. Find the extension that you want to add. Suppose this one here. Install. Once the extension gets installed, it will move up. We're going to go up. This is the extension that I just installed. Let's install few more. Once you've installed the extensions, if you go up, you'll find all these here inside the installed section. And now if you go to sources, all of your installed extensions will be here and you can go browse here. If you go to more, you can get a lot of things here. For example, you can go to settings and customize a lot of things like appearance, library, reader, downloads, tracking, etc. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.